So we are looking at this Olympiad math question. We are having square root of 3, exponent 4, exponent 2, exponent 1, exponent 9, exponent 9. Okay, so we have to solve this. Now, for us to solve this, we need to solve it from the exponent, okay, from this to this, like this. Okay, so this is how we are going to do it. So now, we tackle 9 exponent 9 first, okay? So it is 3 exponent 4, exponent 2, exponent 1, exponent 9, exponent 9. So it is, we are going to tackle 9 exponent 9 first. And 9 exponent 9, the same as 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. So it will be 9 times, okay? Good. We can write this as 9 exponent 9 is equal to x, okay? So now we know that our 9 exponent x is equal to, so with this, we know that our 9 exponent 9 is equal to x. So the question now becomes 3 exponent 4, exponent 2, exponent 1, exponent x, okay? Which is equal to, so now we need to solve 1 exponent x, okay? So with this, 1 exponent x is the same as 1, okay? 1 exponent x is the same as 1 because 100 exponent 1 exponent 100 is the same as 1, okay? And it's the same as 1 exponent 100,000 is the same as 1 because 1 to the any exponent is 1. Whether billion or whatever, it's still 1. So we are going to get root of 3 exponent 4 exponent 2 exponent 1. Okay. So 1 exponent x is the same as 1. So we get this. Now 2 exponent 1 is the same as 2. So we are going to get root of 3 exponent 4 exponent 2, okay? Now, 4 exponent 2, you know that, 4 exponent 2 is the same as 4 multiplied by 4, okay? And it's equal to 16, okay? It's equal to square root of 3 exponent 16, okay? So now, 3 exponent 16 that we are going to solve, okay? So we have root of a is the same as a exponent half. Okay, so let's express this as that. So we have root of 3 exponent 16 is equal to 3 exponent 16 to bracket half. Okay. So now we are going to work with this. And also we have, when we have a exponent m multiplied by exponent n is the same as a multiplied by m, okay, dot a multiplied by n, which is the same as a power m dot n, okay. So we are going to use this. So now this one is going to be 3 exponent 16 multiplied by half, okay, and this 16 multiplied by half is 8. So we are going to get 3 exponent 8, okay. And don't forget, we are not supposed to use calculator, okay. We are not supposed to use calculator. So this one we can express this as 3 exponent 4 plus 4, okay. And we know that 3 exponent 4, the same as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, we are going to get 81. Okay, so it means that we have 81 multiplied by 81. Okay, and this 81, we can say that it's 81 dot into bracket, that is multiplied by 80 plus 1. Okay, with this, we can say that 80 times 0 is 0. Okay, then 1 times 8 is 8. Then 8 times 8 is 64. Plus our 81. Okay, now we also add this to the field. We have 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 8 plus 8 is 16. So 6 and a 1. So 8 times 8 is 16. So 6 remainder 1. So 4, then plus 1, which is 5. Then our 6. So we are getting 6,561 as our final answer. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tricky questions.